Kenya's heartbeat whispers, feel the wildness spill.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to Jambo Nairobi. My name is Phyline Jean, and today we are at Village Market. It's one of Kenya's most iconic lifestyle malls, and they have a lot of fun activities to do and see, and we'll be exploring some of them. It's going to be so much fun, so come with me. Starting us off, the Rev Virtual Racing Explorer. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you do that right now, because it's going to be a whole race, okay? So excited. We are at the Village Market. There's so many fun activities. Once you go and try some trampoline, where they're also area, it's going to be so much fun. Okay, so one thing, if you're gonna do this, make sure your socks are like well ripped on, because they get lost. So I lost my socks. Help me look for them. Ta-da! Found it. Ninja Warrior, we are not very fit for that.
No, not at all.
We are not fit at all.
Not at all.
So, after the trampoline we go. We're gonna try the trampoline again. Come, let's go. Beba. Awe madam ingia. Unaenda wapi?
Mimi nakubeba ama ni wewe unanibeba?
Tunabebana. Vile. Twende. Oya, dere. Bado mtu ngapi dere? Alright, so let me tell you something about Nairobi's matatu culture, you know? So, this is public transport in Nairobi. A representation of what public transport in Nairobi looks like. These are all in Ghana, but it looks like number 58. It looks like Guru Matatus. Yeah, Tano, 9. Shout out to Guru boys if you know. Alright, so if you're in Kenya, this is the way to get home. The lighting. The only thing lacking is music.
Najoshaskia kikingia ni kublast. Hukwanga bado na chuklo madam. So anguka nao itabaki meflo na vibe. Anguka nao koko single.
Burutanga, buruta, bigger up, burutanga. Buruta, bigger up, burutanga. Buruta, bigger up, bigger up.
Let's have a look inside. Come. Come. I love the art. Ah, my goodness. It looks so amazing. And there's a whole TV. They have a TV screen. Kenyan matatus have TV inside there, but they usually have like bigger screens than this one. And there's also a fan, you know, in case like you have many of you and it gets stuffy, they have a fan. But it's just a place to relax and this lighting. Whew. After a day we've had, this is how we unwind in Kenya. We unwind like this. When you're going home after a hard day's work, before you get home, so there's like music and the seats are comfortable and you can watch some music on your TV like that, some videos. Amazing. I promise you, when I came from home, my makeup was intact. Look at how it's like my face.
Tired and we've just done 2 games.
2? Yeah. Yo, we've done a lot.
No, just done 2.
No, we've done many. We're gonna have a look at the video.
Yeah.
No, okay, we've done, I think like,
We've done the Warrior.
no, we've done 3, but we've done 3 games, but like for a long time.
For a long time.
Yeah, well, it's not like just 2 minutes in and out. We're there for a while. And I told you guys how I was going to the gym. I finally registered on Monday. In 3 months, when I come back, yo, arm strength and all that. All right, let's see. Warriors. We're not, but we have really tried. This is still at Village Market. This is the wall climbing, so there are different steps. So I think that is the Mickey Mouse one is the easiest, and then you come to this one, this, and then I think this is the hardest. This is for those people who have experience, if you've climbed before. So I've done that. I think next time I'll do this, then this one, you know. But we've had so much fun. Will we do it again? Definitely. Now let's go to the next activity. We are at another activity. We're gonna try mini golf. I've never done it before, but I'm excited. We found this place so fascinating, and it's literally an office. This is an office fun. I'm at today's office, and today's activity right now is actually mini golf. Let's go. Okay, coming right out. I absolutely love the art. It's so amazing. I mean, look at this. It's glow in the dark, so everything is glow in the dark. If I knew this, I would have dressed in something, you know, something that would glow in the dark, like glow in the dark t-shirts and shoes and stuff. But there's a lot to see, a lot to do, very little time. Let's get started. want me to take you to like when you're going like against teams, you want me to carry you? Like she got a strike.
Yes, I
Because
did.
she's so cool. So we're from the village market. We've had a lot of fun activities. But you know what Two Rivers is known for? The Ferris Wheel. I have never tried it and I was like, why not? And today just seemed like that day. So I'm gonna go to the wheel. It's gonna be fantastic and you are coming with us for the whole experience. Let's go. We made it. So our goal is to go to the Ferris Wheel. But before we get there, we're just admiring the beauty of Two Rivers Mall. Look at this. What is this animal? The giraffe. My mind is tired. We started in the afternoon. It's already 7. Look at the giraffe. Absolutely stunning. The fountain, the water fountain right there. It's also like really, really super amazing. So let's continue to explore. There's still more to see. We're inside the wheel and we are at the highest point. Oh my goodness. I don't even want to look up. If you look down, you'll freak out. And I'm with the worst person because tell me why she's telling me if I've seen movies where these wheels, like one wheel fails and then like people crash and people crash. I don't want to think about it. Did you hear that? Aki, I promise, infinite. Anyway, let's focus on the positives. The positive thing is that look, there's this halls, so ventilation is good. Like the air circulation is like really good in here. I don't feel like the air is okay. The air is like really, really okay. So we're breathing fine. Oh, we're actually a bit closer. Look at the tree. We're coming down. I'm gonna go back up. They said we stay for 16 minutes. I don't think it's been 5 minutes. So I think we go down and then we go back up again. And it's so beautiful. Like looking at both sides, this side, that side. And then it's at night. Guys, here's another thing. If you want to come to village markets, experience the wheel and all that, come at night. Everything looks so good. Everything looks amazing. We're almost on the ground. So, come at night. You can even see Nairobi better because of the... Like you can see that when you're at the top, at the highest level, at the top, Nairobi looks so good. And we are done. I thought it will never end, but it was actually short. By the time it was ending, I wanted it to carry on because I had already gotten the hang of it. But like I told you in the earlier video, if you need to enjoy Two Rivers Mall, come at night. Come at night. That's when the whole mall comes alive. You know, it's been so much fun hang out. There's a lot to see, a lot to do. But most importantly, what we enjoyed was the Ferris wheel. And there's so many other fun activities to see and do at Two Rivers Mall. Thank you so much for spending the entire afternoon with us. It's been so much fun keeping me company, keeping us company. It's been fantastic. If you haven't subscribed yet, kindly subscribe to this channel. Share it with your friends because it's fun. And also comment below, let us know which activity you're going to be trying out. Or if you tried out last time, let us know your experience. How was it? Will you do it again? Are you looking forward to coming to either Two Rivers Mall or Village Market? But it's been lots of fun activities. We have enjoyed too much. Subscribe to the channel. If you need to reach us out, that is at Jambo Nairobi. That is all socials. # Jambo Nairobi. If you need an email address to reach us out on, that is karibu@jambonairobi@gmail.com. Alternatively, you can reach us on this number on your screen. It's been fun hanging out with you, but I gotta love and leave you, and we'll see you in the next video. All right? Bye.
diplomat-favorite.com, where adventures blossom and imaginations